Here we are. What are we doing?
Oh, what indeed.
We are getting our Christmas tree. It might be the week before Thanksgiving, but we are getting our Christmas tree. Here we go. Just to show you this is real life, we're actually stopping first at SVS Vision to get some lenses for that guy.
Yep. Hashtag real life.
You excited for those glasses?
Yeah. They've been scratched for a while.
Yes. All brand new. Ready to roll. Now we can get our Christmas tree. One more stop. Since this is a cash only place, got to get some cash because who carries cash anymore? Is it working?
Yep. Just, what's your pin?
We have arrived. Here we go. You got a little bush. There's like one over there that has like a little cutout. Oh, very unique. We found our tree.
I think the top is too stubby.
No, it has character. It's cute. Has a little like alfalfa thing going on in the top. It's our first time cutting down a tree, so this should be pretty interesting. We got our tree. Good job, dear. Doing great, babe. Now the trick is gonna be, how do we get this on the car?
Yeah.
And go! This is why we work out. To lift Christmas trees. Right, dear? Yep, this is how we're strapping this thing down. I'm hoping it makes it. Tobin has a high level of confidence, so that's good.
The longer rope.
This is how this is all working, people, if you're wondering. Got a little contraption set up.
You go to that side. Just hang on to it. Or keep it. It's like...
Yep. I really hope this works. Okay guys, took you inside here just to see what we got going on. Yep, that's our tree. This is the mess of rope that we got going on. Yeah.
It's all held by that one knot.
So that knot rests on the fate of this tree getting home. How many?
I think it's the other way around, but...
Whatever. All that to say, let's hope we make it home with the tree.
Homeward bound, yo.
Oh, who said this was easy? It's wrong. Wrong, very wrong.
Just keep an eye on that tree. A little shaker.
On that note, we got a tree update. So far it's staying on, so check her out. How's it moved?
Full-hearted thumbs up.
Full-hearted thumbs up. Love it. So this is where Tobin's a little nervous.
You probably can't see it in the video, but we're literally going like this uphill. At high rates of speed. A lot of cars, no place to pull off. The tree goes off here.
The tree is moving backwards.
It's a goner. Oh god.
The tree is moving backwards a little bit.
What'd I tell you? You're like, oh, it's not that far up. It's not that. Yep, it's that bad. All right, we're heading downhill. All right, come on, little buddy, come back.
Let's move back a little bit.
I think we're okay. Crisis averted. For now.
To give you an idea, we're about 10 minutes, give or take, from our house. So, let's just hope we make it that far. Made it all the way here. Thank you guys for joining us on our little adventure of cutting down a tree for the first time. We really enjoyed it and had a lot of fun doing it together. Yeah.
And from our family years, we just hope you have a great holiday season.
Thank you all for joining us on our little adventure of cutting down a tree for the first time this Christmas season.
Okay, you said about twice as much last time.
A darkening bog. Words. Barking dog.
More coffee needed.
More coffee needed, definitely.
I'd also like to wish you in this Thanksgiving season a great holiday season.
Testing, 1, 2.
We're really good at this. I don't really know if that should go in the end cut.